Welcome to the Venegas Family Farms Pumpkin Patch. We are a small family-owned business in Ontario, California, and we are your local source of farm fresh produce. We strive to provide a wholesome, family-friendly, and affordable experience for everyone. Our pumpkins are responsibly grown and are perfect for any fall occasion. While we provide hundreds of fresh pre-cut pumpkins ready to go home, we also offer a one-of-a-kind you-pick experience where you're able to venture out into our field, search for the perfect pumpkin, and cut it from the vine. We hope you'll come join us for some fun, and we look forward to serving the community for many more years to come. Venegas Family Farms, your local farmers since 1998.